Infinix Smart 8 FRP bypass. Please, before you start bypassing any phone or flashing any phone, make sure you see the receipt or the carton before you begin. Okay, let's begin now. First of all, you have to select your language and also select your country. After that, you connect your Wi-Fi. Let me connect my phone. Connect your Wi-Fi. Okay, then this place here, you can leave it, but if you want to continue it, you just continue to confirm. I just want to show you that there is FRP in the phone. The phone is locked. As you can see, it's locked now. You see, it's locked. It's locked. So let me go back. Let me go back and open it. Okay, from here, see this place, tap on it, enter share. This three line up, settings. This place here, tap on it. Wait, that three line up, you enter share article. Then tap on phonic. When you tap on it, enter the menu down here. Okay, refresh it. Then turn off your Wi-Fi. Turn off, just look up, turn off, turn it off. When you turn it off, then swipe it again. You will see offline mode. Swipe it. You see offline mode, connect to network. You tap on it, it will open settings. You see. Then first of all, go to accessibility. Okay, tap on special function. Oh, let me go back. Special function, and you see accessibility. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit. Accessibility menu, turn it on. Got it. Go back. Then go to apps management. Okay, you see Android setup. First of all, for stop Android setup, for stop it, then go back, look for Google Play service. I'm looking for it now. Look at it here. Google Play service. For stop it, disable it. Okay, then go back totally. As if you want to start again. What you will do now, connect your Wi-Fi again. Just wait for it. You can see it's connected. Then next, go to next. Accept everything. Go. Okay, you allow the phone to load now. Just wait for it to load. There will be a place the phone will stop. From there, you need to go back to settings. Just wait for it to load. If you have any question to ask me, drop it on the comment section. I will answer your question. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop a comment on this video. Okay, when it's showing like this, you press don't copy. Okay, when it's now showing like this, then this is when you will use the accessibility menu. You press on this assistant. Just continue like that until you see it showing. You press on without Google. Just try it. Keep trying. It will enter. When it shows like that, when it's open, that's when you will turn on. You see it's open now. You press done. You tap on this icon. Scroll down, privacy. You see this place. You tap on. You see you turn on. You turn it on. Google Play service. Enable. When you enable it, just wait for it to load again. You can see now it has opened. You turn this off. You tap on it. It has opened now. The Google account is gone. Let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's gone. Enter skip. Working perfectly. Just wait for the phone to load. That is all, and that is how you can unlock some of the phones very easily. You see, let me open it. You see now it's opening. It's working perfectly. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.